50 Daily Facts Worth Knowing for Building Stronger Connections. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of facts worth knowing and for stronger connections. Let's explore these facts. 1. Quality over quantity. Spending quality time together involves engaging in activities that are both enjoyable and meaningful. It's not about the number of hours spent together, but the depth of the interaction. 2. Listening skill. Active listening is more than just hearing words. It's about giving your full attention, showing empathy, and validating the speaker's feelings. This fosters a sense of being heard and understood. 3. Expressing appreciation. Regularly expressing gratitude for the little things your partner does can create a positive atmosphere and make them feel valued. 4. Shared experiences. Engaging in new activities together brings excitement and novelty to the relationship, creating shared memories that strengthen the bond. 5. Space and independence. While spending time together is important, maintaining individual hobbies, interests, and personal space ensures that each partner can continue to grow and thrive independently. 6. Respectful disagreements. Conflicts are inevitable in any relationship, but handling them with respect and calmness instead of resorting to yelling or blaming promotes understanding and resolution. 7. Laughter therapy. Sharing laughter triggers the release of endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. This creates a positive association between your partner and happiness. 8. Empathy matters. Understanding and sharing in each other's emotions builds a deep sense of connection and empathy, creating a safe space for vulnerability. 9. Digital detox. Taking time away from screens allows for genuine face-to-face interactions, improving communication and preventing distractions. 10. Nonverbal communication. Paying attention to body language, facial expressions, and gestures enhances communication by conveying unspoken feelings and intentions. 11. Forgiveness. Holding on to past mistakes can damage the relationship. Forgiving and moving forward promotes healing and growth. 12. Random acts of kindness. Simple gestures like leaving a sweet note or making breakfast can brighten your partner's day and foster feelings of appreciation and care. 13. Common goals. Sharing dreams and aspirations creates a sense of purpose and unity, helping you work as a team to achieve them. 14. Quality time. Engaging in deep conversations and meaningful activities fosters emotional intimacy, allowing you to connect on a deeper level. 15. Accepting imperfections. Embracing each other's flaws shows genuine love and acceptance, making the relationship more authentic and less judgmental. 16. Saying, "I love you." Verbal affirmations of love remind your partner of your affection and create emotional security. 17. Trust building. Consistency and honesty in words and actions are crucial for building and maintaining trust in a relationship. 18. Expressing vulnerability. Sharing fears, hopes, and insecurities helps both partners understand each other on a deeper level, strengthening emotional bonds. 19. Physical touch. Physical affection releases oxytocin, a hormone associated with bonding and connection. Holding hands, hugging, and cuddling promote closeness. 20. Balancing compromise. A healthy relationship involves both partners making compromises to ensure a fair balance of needs and desires. 21. Growth mindset. Embracing personal growth and encouraging each other's development leads to a resilient and evolving relationship. 22. Shared rituals. Establishing routines or rituals together, such as a weekly movie night, provides stability and predictability in the relationship. 23. Conflict resolution styles. Understanding each other's preferred way of resolving conflicts helps navigate disagreements more effectively. 24. Cultural awareness. Respecting and learning about each other's cultural backgrounds fosters empathy and a deeper connection. 25. Affectionate gestures. Physical touch, such as holding hands and cuddling, releases oxytocin, fostering a sense of emotional closeness. 26. Constructive feedback. Offering feedback with kindness and respect promotes personal and relationship growth. 27. Boundaries. Setting and respecting boundaries ensures both partners' emotional and mental well-being. 28. Quality sleep. Getting adequate rest affects mood, communication, and overall relationship satisfaction. 29. Social support. Encouraging each other's friendships and social interactions enhances well-rounded connections. 30. Reflective conversations. Discussing personal values, aspirations, and emotions builds a strong emotional connection. 31. Shared goals. Setting goals as a couple promotes unity, cooperation, and a sense of purpose. 32. Apologizing sincerely. A heartfelt apology demonstrates accountability and care, repairing emotional wounds. 33. Acknowledging feelings. Validating each other's emotions fosters empathy and deepens connection. 34. Unplugged dates. Disconnecting from technology during dates allows for genuine presence and engagement. 35. Surprise acts. Thoughtful surprises show ongoing appreciation and love, keeping the relationship exciting. 36. Celebrating achievements. Celebrating each other's successes and milestones reinforces mutual support and positivity. 37. Cooking together. Sharing in meal preparation creates opportunities for bonding and cooperation. 38. Future planning. Discussing future plans and aspirations strengthens commitment and connection. 39. Adventure time. Trying new experiences together brings novelty and shared memories to the relationship. 40. Respecting differences. Embracing each other's unique qualities fosters harmony and understanding. 41. Mindfulness practices. Practicing mindfulness together enhances emotional connection and reduces stress. 42. Positive affirmations. Regularly reminding each other of your love and value reinforces the relationship's positivity. 43. Helping each other grow. Encouraging each other's personal development demonstrates care and support. 44. Shared hobbies. Pursuing mutual interests creates shared experiences and enjoyable moments. 45. Gestures of thoughtfulness. Thoughtful surprises, whether big or small, show ongoing appreciation and love. 46. Embracing change. Adapting to life changes together promotes resilience and strengthens the bond. 47. Private jokes. Shared humor and inside jokes create a unique and special connection between partners. 48. Creating memories. Capturing shared experiences through photos and mementos immortalizes the connection. 49. Dream sharing. Discussing hopes and dreams fosters emotional intimacy and mutual support. 50. Daily gratitude practice. Reflecting on what you appreciate about each other cultivates a positive and appreciative attitude. These facts provide a solid foundation for building stronger, healthier connections in relationships. Incorporating these principles into daily life can create a more fulfilling and meaningful bond with your partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and until next time.